Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, and here we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is the Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline 2.0 TDI 150 PS in the stylish Ravenna blue metallic finish. There are flexible finance packages available, so to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. Now the stunning chrome Volkswagen badge is sitting proudly at the centre there amongst the front grille, and the headlights pair really well with the stunning alloy wheels, which complements the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look. And the powerful new mirrors do fold in when locked to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring you minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. Following on, we can see this Volkswagen Transporter really does have some well-maintained interior. The titanium black and palladium upholstery appears to make the van look very clean and stylish. And we also do have the ISO fixed points at the back, which makes this van perfect for families. And now, as you can see, the Ravenna blue metallic finish really does complement well with the alloy wheels. And towards the back, we have our rear view camera and parking sensors, offering you that full support whenever you need them. As we access the boot, you'll notice the fantastic and spacious interior, and we do have the lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for added visibility. Also, these barn doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. This stunning van is available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, so please don't hesitate to come down and have a look yourself at our dealership. And now, as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat here, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your front passengers that relaxing driving experience. Around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of the approved used Transporter Kombi Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering you that comfortable driving experience. And we do have our automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always on at their correct times. Alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there, and just above the steering we do have cup holders and plenty of storage space for all your necessities. Especially during the winter days, you can always store your gloves and hats away, as well as having a hot brew right near you. And just as this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage, whilst we're on the move, and we also do have our assist systems with functions like the adaptive cruise control to stay safe at a consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring that confidence and comfort throughout your journey. Over to the infotainment screen, we have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Now heading into our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including your Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Heading into our navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track to your suited destination on the best possible route. It will boost your confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when travelling, as you can go to new locations you would never normally go to. This van does come with Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors, along with the rear view cam, ensure safety, especially when moving out of those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have many different options available here for you and your front passengers to enjoy. And towards the right hand side we do have our heated windscreen, and to the left there we do have our automatic start-stop function and our parking sensors. And just below that we have even more storage space and our USB-C type ports. And to finally finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the centre there. So once again, thank you for watching. This has been the stunning Transporter Kombi Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the van yourself or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.